your comments. I'm so grateful for the love and support. Thank you, thank you. It's so many of them. I'll leave them here for now. And go somewhere else. Hi, Sue.
Hey, Sammy. What's up?
Oh, you know, the usual. Our viewers write so many comments, it seems that they like us. But I am not used to it.
Oh, I see. Well, I guess it takes time to get more comfortable in this new role.
Yeah, or a vacation. Probably. Popularity is good. Popularity means that they like me or even love me. I love you all too so much. But I was only an ordinary slime traveler. Oh, this is so new. Oh, what is that? Is that real? Oh, I think I'm too tired.
Oh, Sammy, you caught me before I had a chance to finish.
Caught you? Finish what?
Imagine yourself on a desert island.
Desert island? Oh, that would be awesome. Cakes, cheesecakes, ice cream.
Huh? Which cakes, Sammy?
What do you mean, which cakes? Cakes! Don't go anywhere.
I won't. I was just about to make a craft for you.
Here!
Well, it's a cupcake, so what?
Is that what you'll be doing?
No, why would you think that?
That's what you said! Desert island.
No, not dessert, Sammy. Deserted island.
Why do I need a deserted island? Who would bring me cake?
I want to make you an island so you can escape and relax.
What island are you talking about? Like palm trees and everything?
Yes, finally! You've already seen most of the craft materials. And I'll also need a glass bowl like this one.
Oh, shiny!
And we need sand. Not just any sand, but kinetic sand. Look!
Oh, it's so nice! Okay, you build something again, and then boom! Guys, who remembers the episode with the kinetic sand castle? Give a thumbs up.
No boom, Sam.
Too bad. I got all ready. Whatever. But sand is not enough to build an island.
It depends. Guys, what do you think? Can there be an island made of sand only? Pause the video and comment below. I'll start with sand though. Let's spread it around this mini island and shape it like a beautiful seacoast.
Sue! Do you know why this cool sand is called kinetic?
I'm not sure. Why?
The word kinetic means that something is in motion. It's moving sand.
Wow, that's fascinating.
Where is he? Oh! Yes, Billy, I know. That's exactly what I said to her, and then she...
Ah, that's where the blue slime is.
Hey! Where are you taking him?
Him?
That's my buddy, Billy. He stopped by to chat and you grabbed him.
No, Sammy, it's just slime for the
Are you
craft.
sure? That's why he was so shy all of a sudden.
You are definitely in need of a vacation, my friend.
So, why do you need blue slime?
I'll turn it into water. Put it inside and spread it over the bottom. Oh, wow, so shiny and pretty.
She sells seashells by the She sells. No. She sells seashells by the shore.
She sells seashells by the seashore?
How?
practice, Sammy. And a bit of luck.
Well, no, I will not rely on luck. I need to pick the best one. There! Definitely use this one.
Oh, well, all right. Sure.
It makes sense, yes.
We'll also take this, and that.
What?
And this.
Hi.
Sorry, I got carried away. Stay here. I just need to fix it up a little bit.
Help?
Sure, Sammy. It's almost ready, but there's something else for your comfort.
What? Show me!
Look, I'll place it here for the best relaxation.
Oh, that's for the king of the islands.
And here's a little turtle for you too.
Oh, a friend too? I won't ever be bored.
I'll put it right here. Well, Sam, welcome to your very own Slime Island.
Thank you, Susie. I'm off to get ready for my vacation.
Guys, did you like this Slime Island? Give a thumbs up then. And whatever Sam says, he loves reading your comments. By the way, do you think Sam needs a vacation? Bye!